Hello everyone, welcome to Redfox Security YouTube channel. My name is Shashi and in this channel we explore various cybersecurity related topics, tools and techniques that will help you to enhance your skills and knowledge in this field. This is going to be a series of videos where we will cover various aspects of BloodHound, and in today's video we are going to deep dive into BloodHound, an incredibly powerful tool used for Active Directory enumeration. Before we dive into technical details, ensure that you have a basic understanding of Active Directory, privilege escalation, and what a lateral movement is. This series is designed for those who already have some experience with Active Directory enumeration and are looking to take their skills to the next level. So let's say that you are on an engagement and you're using various command line tools and PowerShell scripts like PowerView or Active Directory module for Active Directory enumeration. The data that these tools churn out can be overwhelming and scattered, which often lead to fragmented insights that are hard to piece together. It's like having puzzle pieces without a picture to guide you. So BloodHound helps by putting all these pieces together, showing you a clear map of the network. BloodHound helps cybersecurity professionals map out and analyze relationship within an Active Directory environment. It also helps to identify potential attack paths and vulnerabilities. So BloodHound is particularly useful for penetration testers, red teamers, and security professionals who are tasked with assessing the security posture of an organizational Active Directory infrastructure. One of the standout features of BloodHound is its graph-based visualization. It uses graph theory to map out the relationships between users, computers, and groups in an Active Directory environment, making it easier to understand complex structures and identify potential attack vectors. So let us understand some of the key concepts in graph theory and look at its component. So the first thing that we have is a node. So a node represents an entity or an object in Active Directory. So we will see in BloodHound that it represents a user, group, or an organizational unit. So if you see on my screen, yeah, let's search for a node. So let's say David is the name of a user. So again, this David is a user and which is a node in BloodHound. And if we'll search for another node, this time let's search for a group which is domain admins group, which is this group has the highest level of privilege in the domain. So let's search for that. Domain admins. Yeah. So if you see this group, so this group is again a node in BloodHound. Now let's go to the next component, which is edge. So in BloodHound or in graph theory, edge represents a relationship or interaction between two nodes, and in BloodHound specifically, edge represents a relationship such as group membership, administrative privileges, or let's say session ownership, and much more. So let's see this on my screen. So let's go to the pathfinding component of BloodHound, and this time let's search a relationship between David, the user, which is a node, and the other node, let's keep domain users, which is a group. And if we see here, yep. Yeah. So again, if we see here, this edge represents a relationship. So in our case, this edge represent that this David user is a member of domain users group. So this member, if you see this edge member of, it's a relationship between two nodes. The next up, we have a path in graph theory. So a path represents a sequence of edges that connect a series of nodes. So, and these paths are critical in identifying routes from one node to another, it also identifies possible potential attack paths in BloodHound. So let's look at this again. If you on my screen, So let me just quickly here in the destination node, let me just type name of the domain. So then we will see whether this David user has any attack path to compromise a domain. So let me quickly just give the name of the destination node, which is security.redfox.local. So this is the domain. So again, this domain is again a node. So this time we are trying to find a path between the David user and the domain, which is security.redfox.local. So let's see this. So this is again a path in BloodHound, and this is how the attacker or a pen tester or a red teamer will choose their paths accordingly. So let's suppose that they have compromised a user called David and they want to compromise the domain. So using the path finding ability of BloodHound, they can do that. So yeah, guys, don't worry about all these things if you're not understanding. So about the different components of BloodHound. So again, this is going to be a series of videos. So in the next video, I am going to walk you through the installation process of BloodHound, and then we will see in the upcoming videos, we will see the different components and different techniques or different different type of method that BloodHound provides for enumeration in Active Directory environment. So yeah, so just to close off this video, so again, BloodHound uses graph theory, which in turn uses graph algorithms such as Dijkstra algorithm to identify shortest path between two nodes, such as a path from a low privilege user to a domain admins group, and these paths represent potential attack vectors that an adversary could exploit. So I hope you have a brief idea on how BloodHound uses graph theory to map out complex attack paths. By providing a clear and detailed map of the Active Directory environment, BloodHound helps security teams to identify misconfigurations and vulnerabilities that might otherwise go unnoticed. So this allows them to productively mitigate these issues before they can be exploited by attackers. So yeah, in this series, we will cover various aspects of BloodHound, and in the next video, we will go through installation process step by step. Then we explore the components of BloodHound, followed by a detailed look at how to use BloodHound for analysis. And then finally, we discuss how to mitigate vulnerabilities you discover during BloodHound. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss on any of the important videos. So thank you very much for watching this video.